Alright, turns out that I'm come back to the trailer just because there's sunshine outside and I want to take advantage of that. And I want to put the floor in tomorrow, so I'm going to paint the whole floor with mold and mildew resistant paint, just for good measure. But first I gotta finish sanding, and then yeah, I misplaced my roller somewhere, so I'm gonna be just hand brushing it on. Awesome. So I'm just kind of doing a thing where I get distracted and do something else while I wait for the dust to clear in there after I've sanded. I'm going to take care of one of the common Boler problems. Now, as you may know, Boler is a two-piece fiberglass shell, and if it doesn't have a supporting structure on the inside, what happens over time is gravity takes hold and then kind of starts to squash the egg shape. So you get that kind of gap right there. So this trailer, this is all like an after factor renovation, and whoever built this didn't think to affix the fiberglass into here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill holes through the fiberglass all the way down like that, and then I'm going to put big huge screws that go right into this board here, and then hopefully that will suck in this fiberglass wall and close that gap, and then I'll seal it later. Yeah, and you can see, it's been letting in water down here, so it's another thing to fix. Gotta love clients that take care of you. Yum. Okay, I think I'm done. I think I'm done for the night. Actually done this time. Yeah, so I got the floor painted, as you saw, and then I just wanted to show you how this crack has come in since I've put the screws through the body. No more gap in there. So that pulled in really, really nicely. I have to do the same thing on this side, but I think I'll do that tomorrow. So I'm going to go get some stew. Michelle's feeding me stew. And then, yeah, I'm going to go and sleep for the night. So, see you then.
Well, good morning, folks. It's Alex here from the show Alex Builds Stuff. It's the show where I build stuff and I show you. I'm not quite building yet this morning. I'm parked here at my aunt and uncle's place. It's my dad's cousin. They've just offered me a level spot camp while I work on Michelle's trailer. So it's about 20 minutes away from Michelle's place, and it's quiet and private. So that's great. But anyway, I'm just gonna finish this here breakfast and this here cafe, and then I'm gonna head on over to Michelle's place and get started. So let's get at her. Okay, I'm back here at the trailer. Let's take a look in here. Got the floor painted. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. So I think today we're gonna start flooring. Yeah, I think we're gonna start flooring, which is gonna be sweet.
It should go pretty quickly once I just get smashing it out. So gotta get set up first, and then I'm just gonna start cutting away. Thumbs up. Buzza. Okay, I think I finished the floor. I mean, not finish, but pretty close to finish, which is the important part. Yeah, I'll just show you what I'm standing on right here. There you go. Nice floor in here. So I just gotta make some trim for it now. And yeah, and then eventually I need to cut some out of there for the refrigerator that's going in there. Yeah, so now I can kind of move on to the next thing. Yeah, okay, so I've pretty much cut all the corner trim on the floor now. Let's see, you can kind of see it there. I'm waiting to do a few more other things and waiting for a refrigerator and a few things to measure around before I start on the next stuff, or on the rest of the trim. My brain is kind of scrambled right now. Yeah, and then I also addressed the door jamb, which is here. There's no longer a gap down between the door and this kind of bulkhead here. Yeah, and I just have to like glue this gasket back on, and then that should be good to go. I cut a big hole there because there's rot. I'll replace that with more 1/4 inch. And yeah, so now I'm going to start rebuilding these boxes. So the previous owner made these boxes, and he built them out of like 1-inch particle board, and then they got wet, and you can see that they've expanded like crazy. So I'm going to rebuild this out of 3/8 plywood. Well, I just ran over to Matt's place and got myself brad nailer, so now I can make these boxes, clear coat the trim, put that frame together, and then I'm done for the day. Okay, I think that's me done for the day. So, this is the trim. It's all been clear coated. It's gonna dry overnight. This is the little frame thing for the little secret cubby that I've made. And then these are the drawer boxes to replace those. So, yeah. So that's the night. Time to head back to Alder Grove and eat some food.